The clamp end of the all-electric SX2 offers several key benefits. The first is a new open-ended frame with space for power units and other equipment. This frees up valuable floor space and removes obstacles around your Toshiba. The openness continues with easy access to the ejectors. Without opening up any access panels, you can tie in your mold ejectors. The same linear guide technology utilized on the injector side is carried over to the clamp side. Linear guides reduce drag and provide much smoother movement, even with larger molds. And this provides alignment so precise that tie bar bushings can be eliminated. Less drag means less electrical load, saving you energy. Without tie bar bushings, the platens can even be removed to provide greater flexibility for your needs. The use of a strain gauge allows the tonnage to be set accurately and automatically. When using the dynamic self-tuning feature, the tonnage is constantly monitored and adjusted on the fly to maintain the tonnage you require. Toshiba engineered ball screws are designed to push. This provides greater thrust with less wear than off-the-shelf ball screws. And the clamp is self-lubricating, improving the day-to-day lubrication of the machine and requiring less time to maintain. The Toshiba SX2 is ready to exceed your requirements with exceptional flexibility, capability, and reliability.